Hey guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. So I recently bought a new mirror for my console table from Haven Glass Mat. You can check them out on Instagram, but I never really had the time to install it. So today I decided to spare some of my time and I contacted them again to come and install it for me, and they agreed. So I'll take you through the whole process and I hope you'll enjoy the video because there's more to come.
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes, just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to get you anymore. It hurts me to the core, I'm what you look for. It's overdue. Over you. To deja vu. I thought I was psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues.
So I ordered some storage baskets from Kilimall and the package arrived yesterday. And here it is. There are actually two. So I just want to unpack them with you guys and see how they actually look like. Yeah. Let me just get my scissor. Come over. It's heavily raining outside, so please don't mind if at all you hear some distracting noises from the background. Okay, we have this one. Oh yeah, this one and this. So we begin with this one because I'm so nervous and anxious about it. That is. Oh, it's good. I love it. Oh my god, it's big! What? Actually, I didn't expect it to be this big. Hey, how many trousers can this one carry? Like, so I think this one is going here, right at the bottom. Oh my god, guys, it's huge, it's big. At least I'll be able to, like, do what, like to like place my trousers inside. Are you able to see it? On this other side, this is how it looks on this other side. Oh my god, it's big. I didn't expect it to be this big. I'm impressed. I am so impressed. So I'll show you how I'll be placing my trousers in here, or organizing my trousers, that is, inside this one. So you have this one, and then this other one. So let's see how this one is. Guys, are you able to see this? Are you able to see this one? Oh my goodness! Like, what? At least vyangu, my extra duvets zimepata a home, mali zinaweza kaa. Like, seriously? What? Hey, I love this. I love them. I love all of them. So this is how it looks. Let me just open the zipper to make sure, to at least confirm if it's functioning. Nice. My goodness. Ooh, geniambie. What? Oh, yeah. So guys, this is really, oh, at least this can be able to fit like at least 2 duvets. 2 duvets can fit in here. 2 duvets and some, maybe some extra clothing too. I also bought some nice perfumes from a good friend of mine. She sells them at a fair price. So let me just show you. I have this one. This. Let me just open it for you guys. It's called tobacco oud, and it smells heavenly. Like, let me just. Smells nice. So this was the first one. This was the first one. We have this one too. This one. Oh my goodness! I was about to. Oh. Just look at it. Look at it. So this is how it looks. It's called Maison Art de Perfume. Maison Art de Perfume. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the correct way, but I think it's a French word. I don't know. I'm not sure. Smells so nice. Oh my god, it smells nice. Wow. A girl is in love. A girl is in love. Perfume. I love it. I mean, I love all of them. Like, hey, I'm careful. So the last one is this one. We have this. Do you open this one? So it's called Olumapia. Let me spray it here. Let me wait for it to settle first. Oh my goodness. I mean, this perfume is inanukia. Online is inanukia, and I'm not.
So at this point, I was just putting everything away. I mean, the plants and the decor pieces, because I wanted to clean this table plus the new mirror in order for it to feel welcomed in this humble abode and to just assure it that I take good care of it. Yeah.
Making me hate you, probably think it's painful, but really I'm grateful. I think I've seen this before. This is the part where you say you want me to. I say I love you, then you go act a fool. That's how the story goes, just wanna let you know. No need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to let you anymore. It leads me to the a psycho for you. Play tricks with my mind like voodoo. Might be a danger to you, but that ain't old news. Delusional clues, that's how the story goes. Just wanna let you know, no need to sugarcoat it. It's getting old, there's not much to uphold. I'll most likely go ghost. No need to sugarcoat it. I can't be the one to let you anymore. It hurts me to the core. What do you look for? It's not overdue. Over you. 402 deja vu. You anymore. It hurts me to the core. What do you look for? It's not overdue. You told me to come through down 40282 Deja Vu Avenue. Deja vu. Deja vu.
Day after day, I like the way you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me. You do. Lip to lip, grab my neck and hips like when you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me. Keep it simple, stupid. That's all you gotta do. We been hit by Cupid. Tell me what you tryna do. Cause you know he wanna feel all up on me, yeah. And you know I wanna feel all up on him too. So you know we gonna do all of that times two. Just say the word. Count down like 3, 2, 1. Give all these lips and some.
So I'm done fitting like almost all my trousers in there, and sadly they couldn't all fit in it. So I'm seeing myself purchasing another storage basket, but this time round I will not only be buying a storage basket for my trousers but for my other clothes as well. But all in all, the basket was big, as you can see. Yeah.
You wanna kiss me. You do. Lip to lip, grab my neck and hips like when you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me. It takes two to get in the mood. Oh yeah. Waiting to put lips on you, put a rush on it coming. Boy, stop playing with it, stop playing with me. Go super sane with it, stay with me. Oh, lip blocking, clock is tick-tocking. Ready, set, go live. 1, 2, 3, save all your best for me. Paying attention when you do it, giving my love for free. And I'm like, whoa. Had it before, whoa. And I just want it again. I just want it again. Now what you do, day after day, I like the way you kiss me. Know you wanna kiss me. You do. Grab my neck and hips. Know you wanna kiss me. Oh, don't be scary, no, don't be scary. I'ma let you if you let me.
I managed to put 2 duvets in there and some clothes, and as you can see there was still some big space left for another one. So this basket can carry like 3 or 4 duvets, I believe so. And yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. We'll see each other in my next one. Bye.